Okay, so far so good. Okay, I can close and then I will minimize this one. And then the third method, okay, the third method is also very interesting. I want to create black oil. So I will click this one. Now I will go to PVT to construct black oil. Okay, I will call the tab name PVT. And let's say for the range 20, minimum yes, maximum yes, and not from sample. This one, standard condition, pressure and temperature, all good. Click OK. Now it's quite simple. Now I construct PVT or black oil model from my blend component. So you see for the oil, I have RS, I have formation volume factor, and I have viscosity. For the gas, pressure, formation volume factor, viscosity, plotted against RV, and also the water properties. I have water properties. Okay, so good. So if you construct reservoir modeling, reservoir simulation using black oil model, so you can use this PVT as your fluid model or as your PVT model. And for this one, the export is easily can be done here. Export to file. Okay, now you see PVT underscore blend. So that's the third method. Click save. Okay, now I will click refresh. PVT blend opened. Now you have PVT for oil, PVTO, quite comprehensive. And then, yeah, you can go down, PVT props, PVTW, PVT for the gas. Okay. Density, okay, for oil, water, and gas. So click close. Now I want to construct I want to do the last method to export. And I can do that by using this one, export to file.